Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lebanon, and today we are going to be doing a continuation on our last topic that looked to compare standalone pages to cluster pages. One of the biggest SEO frustrations is this: you optimize your service page perfectly, but it doesn't rank. Meanwhile, a random blog post ranks easier. This isn't an optimization problem, it's a structure problem. Today, I'll show you how parent pages, support pages, and money pages work together and why Google expects this structure. Firstly, what is a money page? A money page is the page that generates business. Service pages, product pages, booking pages. This is the page you actually want ranking. But here's the issue: money pages are the hardest for Google to trust. I mean, why should they? You are trying to make money off of them, so they have to be very wary of what they present to customers because the customers are going to spend money, and if they spend money on something that's substandard, who bears the brunt of it? Google. Now, a bit deeper into why service pages struggle. A service page is biased. It's trying to sell. So Google asks, why should I trust this page? A page claiming we are the best doesn't prove expertise, it proves marketing. Google has come to terms with the fact that SEO exists. They have come to terms with the fact that we are good at getting a page to page one. So it doesn't move them if a specific page is written in a specific way. What moves them now is knowledge. Does it mean that an SEO cannot replicate that? No. It just means that the rules have changed a bit. This is where support pages come in. Supporting content teaches, it explains the subject without selling. To Google, informational content builds credibility. Google organizes websites like folders. A parent page is a main topic. Child pages cover specific parts of that topic. This structure helps Google understand coverage. When supporting articles link to the service page, something important happens. They transfer topical authority. You are no longer claiming expertise, you are demonstrating it. Instead of one page about a service, Google now sees an entire section of the website dedicated to the topic. Confidence increases and confidence affects rankings. There is no magic number when it comes to how many supporting pages you can create. You can create five, you can create 10, you can create 100. You need enough pages to answer the major questions users ask about the topic. When the topic feels complete, you have enough supporting content. A common mistake is that many websites blog regularly but see no ranking improvement. Why? Because the content isn't connected to the service. Random blog posts don't build authority. Relevant support pages do. If you remember one thing, remember this: your service page doesn't rank by itself. It ranks because other pages on your website support it. Modern SEO is not page optimization, not at all. It's topic architecture. If you found this video informative and you learned something, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We release videos almost every day, and we want to just make sure that you are doing the best you can in SEO. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.